It has taken me 2 years to do my laundry room. On last night, I painted it eggshell white. I put these letters on the door pretty close to a week now, in anticipation of when I was going to do the small room. It was just a laundry room, but it was a catch-all for everything, since I knew that one day I would do it, but I just didn't know when. But I finally said, I've already said it would be this week, so I will keep my word. If you're interested, stay tuned. And before we get started, like, comment, and subscribe. And these just are some letters that you buy. I got these from Hobby Lobby. So you can already tell which side of the room the laundry is and the pantry. Let's enter. I tell you, it feels good to have this room painted. This is the last room that I had to paint. I still need to get some things. These will be changed to more to my liking, but I am satisfied for now. On this side, my broom and dustpan will be. On this side is the laundry room. And this is the pantry. I start here at the pantry side. I wanted this, and still will make it blue stripes. I have been looking for wallpaper for a while, but have not found the one that I like. Bought some blue paint to do it. I have another idea, but for now, I just put, I love vintage stuff. Old things, traditional, classic things, and French country. Here I just brought out my George Foreman can opener and hand mixer, and this lamp. That it will be my daughter's. It is my daughter's. I just got to get it to her. But I thought I would use it. This is old. I did this, but you know what? It's chipping and peeling. And that's okay to me. I have a Keurig in the kitchen. But I just brought this out. I had just bought it a few months before I got my Keurig, so I didn't throw it away, so I put it in here. If my daughter's here, she likes coffee, I'll use this one and she'll use the Keurig, so I didn't throw it away. And I'll show you what I did with this one also. And I just put these colorful napkins in here along with my French Vanilla Delight. And this is, I got this at a thrift store. This box, recipe box, but I love it. Has fruits and vegetables on it and herbs, and so I never threw it away. I've been had it ever since about 2016. All right, now this cabinet here that I have not put anything in yet because all my canned goods are going there. The top shelf here, I got all of my things like my Lysol and light bulbs and stuff. And the next shelf I have is things that, well, I put that there a few minutes ago, my trash bags. But the other things for my crafting, the second shelf. So it's a pantry, three way pantry. And this side, I never threw it away. I've been had this. This is what I was telling you. There are certain things that you can get to do your spice rack. So I did this for the spice rack. So for the pantry side, because I have a sign here. I didn't need another sign, but you could tell this is the side of food on without looking to the left to see the laundry side. So I let this stay and just put a blue towel. You know, blue is going to be somewhere. Let's start at top. These containers, I use them all over the house, especially in the living room and the hallway. But I put my iron and starch in there. So things having to do with ironing is on this side. And then to bring a little color there, this is some extras I had for my shower curtain. And then I bought these. Don't have a line to hang clothes outside, but I like that idea, so who knows, one day. My laundry sign, I bought it from, I believe it was Hobby Lobby. I have purchased nothing for today. And then I bought this from Home Goods. And look what I did. I just put my dryer sheets in there. And everything have to do with washing is on this side. Most of it is contained. But then my extra overflow is behind. And then of course I got another blue vase like I do over here. And this tall canister, I'm going to pour my Clorox in there. So, but I didn't for right now. And my ironing board is just between the wall and the washing machine. And this is where this comes from. I just cut it down the side and paste it up there. Okay, these two came out of my bookshelf, which I still have in the designated as a guest bedroom, but it's not really used like that. So I like the tone of the wood to help break up some of the white and pull in some of the browns that I have on the other side. And I just got just a little thing of flowers here, some hand sanitizer. And this is where will be putting my change found in clothes. And over here, this scent is just absolutely delicious. So I leave this open, and this is just a candle and a basket that usually sits on my washing machine, but I changed it over and put it on the dryer. This has, like I said, been 2 years in the making. There are some more things to do, to add and to take away, but I am content. And the white just made it look like the room got wider and longer. It's amazing what paint can do to any room. Thank you for being here. If you made it this far, subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next video, this is Stephanie at Traditional Home.